Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever tried adding egusi to your stew? Yes, the egusi you know, used in making the world famous egusi soup. I've tried it and I promise you it's delicious. Come with me, let's do some exploration. We are going to start by cooking the chicken we are going to use for the stew. Place your chicken, about 1 pound of chicken in a pot over heat. Add half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of rosemary, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of meat seasoning, half teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 stock cube, 1 teaspoon of salt. You stir it, then add some bay leaves and chopped onions, about 1/4 cup. You can see that I didn't add any liquid now. Cover and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. It will bring out its own juice. Let it cook in it for a while. Now let's check our chicken. As you can see, it's been cooking on its juices. Now we can add some water to cook the chicken well. Give it a little stir, cover and allow to continue simmering until the chicken is almost done. Now our chicken is ready. We are going to remove the chicken and roast it in the oven rather than fry it. I prefer roasting my chicken. You can as well fry it if you like to fry your chicken. Now we are going to place our chicken on an oven roasting rack in a pan. Then we'll pop it inside the oven to roast for about 10 minutes or until it has some golden color or shine. Remove the chicken stock from the pot. Pour in your tomato mix. I blended 3 parts fresh paprika known as tatashe to 1 part fresh tomatoes, a bulb of onions, some ginger and red scotch bonnet pepper known as atarodo. Cover and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, open it to allow the steam to evaporate. It helps the water to dry out faster. Now see what we have here. Our tomatoes have reduced. We'll add our tomato paste. Then we'll add our vegetable oil. Stir to mix in the tomato paste very well. Cover and allow to continue simmering for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now we are going to mix our egusi with some water to form a paste so the small balls can form well in the stew. We're going to add our egusi in small scoops, cover and allow to continue simmering so the egusi can cook well. Yeah, our egusi is well cooked now. Uh-oh, since my egusi balls are a bit bigger than I planned, stir well, then add the chicken stock we got from boiling our chicken earlier. We'll now also add our seasoning powder and some curry powder and some stock cubes. Give it a stir, cover and allow to simmer for another 5 minutes. I can smell the egusi flavor. Add a little bit of water to loosen it a bit if it is too thick. Then we'll add the chicken and some nchuanwu leaves. Stir in well, cover and allow to simmer for just a little while. Ooh la la! This smells super amazing. Our egusi soup is ready. I can't wait to taste this. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn on post notification so you never miss a video when I upload. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this or whenever you do try it. There you have it. Our yum egusi stew, delicious meal from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.